I never expected that I would be on a life flight at this age in my life. But things happen, and when they happen, they can happen quickly.
For Sean Samuelson, his emergency happened last spring when he got bucked off his horse while helping some neighbors move cattle.
I'd bought a new horse, wanted to try him, and he went up straight up in the air, and the next thing I know, I was laying on the ground. My sister came over to me and said, where do you hurt? When I could finally breathe, I said everywhere.
Sean managed to get himself up off the ground and made his way to his pickup.
I don't know if it's the cowboy spirit or, I didn't know how bad I was hurt.
An accident like Sean's is an example of how Help Flight's Rural Registry program can serve area farmers and ranchers.
They give us their GPS coordinates as well as their physical address. By allowing us to fly directly to a person's residence without any delays, it dramatically decreases the response time that it takes for the helicopter to get to a person when they're having an emergency.
To have those coordinates where the flight crew could get to the ranch, that's huge.
Not knowing the extent of his injuries, Sean's dad drove him to Miles City. Had he known the seriousness of his situation, Sean would have elected to have the helicopter arrive on scene.
I broke my pelvis in 2 spots. So I had the frontal and then also on the side. I broke 2 ribs. And what we didn't know, and they did the testing in Miles City, was that I had a punctured bladder as well.
Sean was flown to St. Vincent Healthcare on the Help Flight fixed wing.
On the flight, they took great care of me. Once I got to St. V's, between the St. V's team and the Ortho Montana team, at 3 months post-accident, I was walking and without a limp. So the care that I received was phenomenal.
The cost of emergency transport is often significant, which is why St. Vincent Healthcare has created the Help Flight membership program. One low annual fee provides coverage for you and eligible family members. This membership will be entitled to zero balance billing. For example, as a member, if you or your eligible family member is flown by air ambulance, we will bill your insurance company and accept their payment as paid in full.
The membership program affords people peace of mind to alleviate that out-of-pocket expense for an unintended cost due to an emergency.
We're outdoor people. Just to have the peace of mind that if something like this happened to you, that you don't have to worry about balance billing, you don't have to worry about additional fees, you could heal and not have that added stress.
To learn more about the Help Flight membership and Rural Registry, visit svh.org/helpflight or call 238-6215.